If you feel like you're vocally pushing, you actually might be constricting your false vocal folds. And in this video, I'll show you how to avoid that. Hi folks, my name is Tom Burke. I'm a speech pathologist and voice teacher, and I help professional speakers learn how to write and deliver TED-level talks, and professional singers learn how to belt for days. You are watching day 4 of my holiday vocal advent calendar, where every day I provide you hot tips to keep your voice warm for the winter. So today we're talking about your false vocal folds. You actually have 2 sets of vocal folds. You have your true vocal folds and your false vocal folds. They're part of the 3-pronged process that helps protect your airway from food entering when you're swallowing. So you have your true vocal folds, your false vocal folds, and you also have your epiglottis. Today we're just going to zoom in on what happens with your false vocal folds. Essentially, when you're coughing, or when you're grunting, or when you're pushing on your voice, you are constricting your false vocal folds. And you can feel that if you lightly touch your larynx and you prepare to cough or prepare to grunt. So try that real quick. Just prepare, don't actually do anything. And then notice the sensation that's the opposite of that, which is when you're laughing. So prepare a little secret laugh, like you know an inside joke with a friend. Notice how that feels in the throat. And then I want you to compare those 2 sensations while practicing voicing. So prepare the cough or the grunt, and then say words Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Be gentle. Then compare that with the initiation of the secret laugh. Try that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Notice when you keep that little laugh on the inside, it's easier to voice with less effort. If this feels too abstract and you're having difficulty finding it, you can also try it by plugging your ears and inhaling silently. So if you plug your ears, listen closely and see if you can inhale without any noise. So inhale silently. And then try to keep that sensation as you speak. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Essentially, silent inhaling or laughing is the opposite of the cough, tickle, scratch, grunt position. So clearly throughout the day, try to err on the side of breathing silently or keeping that laugh. And that's what's going to help keep your voice healthy throughout the day. I should say, if you are experiencing any hoarseness for more than 2 weeks in the absence of a cold, you really do need to see the doctor, particularly a laryngologist that specializes in voice. So make sure that you're never self-diagnosing or self-medicating when it comes to vocal stuff. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for your next secret surprise.